Ever wondered how to fold the endless flip spring? It looks cool and is super stress relieving. Today we will learn how to make it. Remember to like, save and watch so you do not lose it. 2 A4 sheets in different colors. Fold one horizontally in half. Fold in half again. Fold once more. Unfold. Fold bottom edge to the middle. Fold top edge to the middle as well. Cut along the crease. Cut the other sheet the same way. Fold blue strip into a V shape. Fold pink strip into a V shape too. Slide pink strip into blue strip. What? Fold pink bottom corner over. Thread blue left corner through pink strip. Pinch 4 edges and pull tight like this. Fold top blue strip to align with this corner. Rotate left. Fold pink strip to align with this corner. Rotate left. Fold blue strip to align here. Thread pink strip from the left here. Pull tight. Fold top blue strip to bottom corner. Rotate left. Fold pink strip down. Rotate left. Fold blue strip down. Thread pink strip from left. Pull tight. Trim all 4 corners to same length. Glue same color strips to extend. Place them like this when joined. Fold blue strip down. Rotate left. Fold pink strip down. Rotate left. Fold blue strip down. Thread pink strip from left. Pull tight. Here is a quick chant for these steps. Fold 3 times, pink threads once. Repeat until all strips are used. Trim excess at the end. Hit like if you learned it.